What's up, guys? It's the Bitcoin guy. Hopefully you can see me all right. It's a little bit dark in here. My phone keeps telling me it's in low light conditions. But anyway, I just want to make a video real quick about how stoked I am about the Bitcoin prices. It's been kind of on an uphill slope the past few days. Let's see, Bitcoin at the time of this video is at 9,200 bucks. So, that's nowhere close to where it was in December of last year, but we're definitely making an upward trend right now. I think it grew, let's see, it went up about 300 bucks today, so that's great. Bitcoin Cash is up almost $300 too, which is actually a lot bigger of a deal than Bitcoin, just because it's such a smaller percentage of the price. Bitcoin Cash is at about $1,500 right now. That has done about 2.5 times its price in the past 3 or 4 days. Last I checked on it let's see, the end of last week, it was closer to 600 bucks. So that's pretty impressive. Bitcoin's been doing a consistent 3% per 24-hour period up, and then Bitcoin Cash has been doing a pretty consistent 15 to 20%. So I've had a few people ask me, why is Bitcoin Cash doing so much better than Bitcoin right now? It wasn't doing that a few months ago. I mean, it was still going up, but Bitcoin Cash, I think, topped off around 1,400 or something. I think this might even be an all-time high. I'm not certain. I might have to double check that. But anyway, let me just clarify, though, before I go into any of this, that once again, guys, I don't do investing advice per se. I can just say what I'm doing. I can say what some of my friends are doing, the trends that I think will continue, but don't take anything that I say as actual advice. Anyway, with that being said, so Bitcoin Cash, a lot of people are saying, is what Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoin, it's just a pseudonym or pseudonym, not sure how you say that, but it's just his kind of his online identity. No one really knows if that's his actual name or not, but a lot of people are saying that Bitcoin Cash is what he had in mind when he invented Bitcoin. Bitcoin has some issues since it's been scaled in the past few years. It has had issues with the time that it takes for transactions to confirm, and also the fees have been an issue because they've been increasing. Back in December, I think the average fee was around 50 bucks or so, which was pretty dang high, considering, the average Litecoin fee is like a couple of bucks, like $2 to $5, I think, is when it was at its highest. Anyway, so Bitcoin Cash solves those problems. At least it does a lot better job of it than Bitcoin does. So Bitcoin Cash has lower transaction fees, and it has quicker transaction times. If you'd like me to go into a little bit more detail about that, I can with the technical stuff in another video, but this one I just wanted to kind of do a basic explanation of why Bitcoin Cash seems to be doing better than Bitcoin right now. Some market analysts are saying that Bitcoin Cash is going to take over Bitcoin, that it will, eventually, sometime soon, be worth more than Bitcoin itself. Of course, people have been saying that about Ethereum for a while too now, which is also possible. Maybe I'll make another video about that too. But Ethereum's doing pretty good. It's up about 7% in the last 24 hours. It's at about 675 bucks. So it's doing pretty good too. Anyway, just wanted to throw it out there. I'll probably be putting a little bit more cash into Bitcoin Cash in the next few days because I think I have some faith in it. It'll probably dip. It'll probably dip a couple $100 because whenever it has a really good run upward, it always has a little dip. So I'll probably buy the dip and then hold on to that because I think it'll end up having some higher percentage increases than Bitcoin. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, the similarities and differences, your opinions about it in the comments below. If you like these videos, you like anything I said, if it's helpful to you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.